And staying on the courts, the Sunshine girl Simone Gordon has been settling in well with English club Leeds Rhinos after securing her first professional contract earlier this month. 27-year-old Gordon, who has signed with the Leeds Rhinos in the Netball Super League, widely regarded as one of the world's premier netball competitions, reflected on her accomplishment.
To be honest, I was excited, as well as it still feels surreal. Still can't believe that I'm living a dream of mine. So yeah, it was good.
Gordon revealed her expectations in her first season playing professionally overseas.
To gain more exposure. There's a lot of tough competition here and a lot of good players, so it would be good to be going up against some of those competitions.
Now, while at the Rhinos, Gordon will be teaming with players she played against on the Sunshine Girls Tour of England in December last year.
From the exposure that I gained when I was playing against Jazz, she's very strong, that's one. Even though she's strong, she's agile as well. So it was a good competition going up against her, and now I'm on the same team with her. I think that we together can be a good combination on both ends.
Leeds Rhinos ended 7th of the 8 teams in the 2025 Netball Super League in England.